Stop scrolling. I need 60 seconds of your time right now, because what I am about to tell you is something that every woman over 50 needs to hear, and almost nobody is saying it out loud. You have been blaming your outfits. You have been blaming your body. You have been standing in front of that mirror thinking, something is just not working, and cycling through every possible reason. The color is wrong. The fit is off. Maybe I need to lose a few pounds. Maybe I'm just not that stylish anymore. But Queen, I am here to tell you today that in most cases, it is none of those things. It is your shoes. Your shoes are quietly dismantling every single effort you make to look polished, put together, and ageless. The wrong shoes do not just look bad. They shorten your legs. They age your face. They make a $400 outfit look like it came off a clearance rack. And the most heartbreaking part? Most women over 50 never figure this out. They just keep feeling like something is off and never knowing why. But not you. Not after today. Welcome to Ageless Black Queens. This channel exists for one reason: to make sure that dark-skinned women over 50 never have to walk into a room feeling like anything less than exactly what they are: royalty. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now, because every single week we are in here dropping style, beauty, and lifestyle content specifically for women like us. Women who are not fading. Women who are glowing up. Today we are exposing 10 shoe mistakes that are silently aging your look. And more importantly, I am telling you exactly what to wear instead. And stay with me until the very end, because mistake number 10 is the one almost every woman over 50 is currently making, and most have absolutely no idea. I promise you do not want to miss it. Let us get into it. Mistake number 1. Cheap, floppy, faux leather ballet flats. And before you come for me in the comments, hear me out completely. I'm not saying flats are the enemy. Flats can be absolutely elegant. But those thin faux leather ballet flats with the tiny bow, the paper thin sole, and the zero structure? Those are not flats. Those are foot covers. And after just a few outings, they crease, they scuff. They lose whatever little shape they started with. And the moment your shoes look tired, you look tired. It does not matter how beautiful your coat is, how perfectly your bag matches, how flawless your skin is. Tired shoes drag the entire look down to the floor with them. After everything you have been through, after everything you have built, you deserve shoes that match your energy. And your energy is not tired. It is intentional. Swap those saggy flats for a structured leather or suede flat with a pointed or almond toe. That pointed toe alone will elongate your legs instantly. Or better yet, try a good loafer. Timeless, comfortable, quietly confident, and endlessly versatile. One well-made pair will serve you better than 10 cheap ones every single time. Drop a comment right now and tell me, are you a flats girl or a loafers girl? Because this community wants to know. Mistake number 2. Athletic running shoes worn outside the gym. I knew this one was going to cause a stir, and I am saying it anyway. Those thick-soled, neon-accented, mesh-paneled running shoes belong exactly one place: the gym. Not brunch, not church, not the grocery store with your good cashmere coat on. Because when you pair athletic running shoes with your everyday outfits, your top half is saying elegant, refined, intentional woman, and your bottom half is saying, I am about to run a 5K. That contrast does not read as casual chic. It reads as unfinished. What you replace them with are sleek, minimalist sneakers. Clean. Low profile. Leather or suede in warm white, soft beige, or dove gray. No oversized soles. No loud logos. No neon anywhere. The more minimal the sneaker, the more elevated the entire outfit becomes. A clean leather sneaker can take you from morning errands to a casual lunch to an afternoon gallery visit and you will look completely intentional every step of the way. And if you are watching this, and you are not yet subscribed to Ageless Black Queens, fix that right now. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications because we drop content like this every single week, and you deserve to be in the room every time. Mistake number 3. Razor-thin strappy sandals with zero support. Here is what nobody tells you about those ultra-delicate, barely-the-re sandals with the razor-thin straps and the flat-as-paper soles. They are not doing you any favors. Not on your feet and not on your outfit. By midday, those thin straps are digging into your skin, and visually, they can actually make your feet look wider and more swollen than they really are. We have worked too hard and come too far to spend our days in discomfort just to look fashionable. What you wear instead is a sandal that actually respects your feet while still looking absolutely beautiful. A leather sandal with a low block heel. A minimalist slide with wider, more structured straps. A cushioned wedge or espadrille that gives you real support. Go for earthy, elegant tones. Tan, ivory, camel, soft gold, warm bronze. You will be comfortable enough to stay present in every moment of your day instead of counting down to when you can finally sit down. Mistake number 4. Bulky boots that swallow your legs whole. Let me say this slowly so it lands properly. Not all boots are created equal. Those oversized, heavy-soled boots with the slouchy shaft and the exaggerated hardware all over them might keep you warm, but they are also making your legs look shorter, your silhouette look heavier, and your whole outfit look like it is fighting against itself. Elegance is about proportion, about flow, about shapes that work together rather than compete. What you replace them with is a boot that has actual structure and shape. A sleek ankle boot with a block heel. A knee-high leather boot that follows and flatters the natural shape of your calf. Clean lines. Minimal hardware. A classic almond-toe. Aim for a heel height between 1 and 2 inches, and you have the perfect balance of style, comfort, and leg-lengthening proportion. These are the boots that make women stop you and ask where you got them. If this video is already opening your eyes, hit that like button right now. It helps Ageless Black Queens reach more dark-skinned women who need to hear exactly this. We are building something special here, and your support makes it possible. Mistake number 5. Sky-high stilettos you honestly cannot walk in. Now listen. I love a beautiful heel as much as anyone. There is something about the right pair of heels that shifts your entire energy, lifts your posture, makes you feel like you are completely and utterly that woman. And you are. But sky-high. Stilettos, anything over 4 inches that you genuinely cannot walk in comfortably. That is not elegance. That is pain wearing a designer label. And we have all done it. That slow, stiff walk across the parking lot, gripping whoever is standing next to you, silently praying that you do not roll an ankle in front of everyone. When a shoe makes you feel unstable, it shows in everything. Your posture, your stride, the tension in your face. It is very difficult to look like a graceful, confident, ageless woman when you are clenching your jaw just trying to make it to the table. What you wear instead are walkable heels that still make you feel elevated and powerful. A low block heel. A kitten heel. A mid-heel pump around 2 to 2.5 inches. A block heel with a pointed toe is one of the most elegant, stable, and leg-flattering options available to us. Classic, comfortable, completely chic. We do not suffer for style anymore, Queen. We have absolutely graduated from that season of life, and it feels incredible. Mistake number 6. Clear plastic heels. They had their moment. Every influencer was wearing them, and they looked incredible on the screen. But in real life, up close, on a real woman living a full and beautiful real life, plastic shoes almost never deliver on that promise. Clear plastic fogs up. It scuffs. It does not breathe. After an hour of wear, those fashionable clear heels are showing every line and every pressure point on your feet. And the material deteriorates quickly. A few wears in, and it is already scratched, cloudy, and looking nothing like the elegant shoe you thought you were buying. For evening and dressier occasions, what you replace them with is a pointed toe pump or slingback heel in leather, suede, velvet, or satin. Muted metallics like champagne, pewter, or brushed gold give you all the glamour and sparkle you are looking for without any of the cheap-looking side effects. A velvet heel feels luxurious in a way that plastic simply cannot compete with. And luxury, queens, is exactly what you deserve. Mistake number 7. Worn-out shoes you have been holding on to for far too long. I am saying this with love. Deep, genuine, sisterly love. Because I have been here too. We all have that one pair. The sandals that have seen better days but still feel so familiar and comfortable that letting them go feels like saying goodbye to an old friend. But if the leather is cracking, if the soles are completely worn flat, if the shape has entirely given way, it is time to let them go, baby. It is time. Worn-out shoes send a message you are not intending to send. No matter how beautiful the rest of your outfit is, tired shoes make your entire appearance look neglected. It is like a full glam makeup look and a perfect blowout paired with chipped peeling nails. People notice. And more importantly, you notice, and it dims your confidence before you even walk out the door. Invest in quality, then take care of what you have. Polish your shoes. Store them properly. Resole them when the time comes. Treat your shoes like the signature pieces they are, because they are. Mistake number 8. Flip-flops as everyday shoes. I need you to stay calm and hear me out. Flip-flops are footwear for the beach, the pool deck, and the walk from your hotel room to the resort. That is the complete and total extent of their appropriate universe. When you wear them with your everyday outfits, they flatten the appearance of your feet, create poor posture, and make even a beautiful summer look feel completely unfinished and thrown together. And that slap, slap, slap sound echoing down the aisle of wherever you are, that is not the entrance of an ageless black queen. You are not an afterthought. You are the whole thought, the entire thought. Dress accordingly. What you replace them with is a structured sandal with actual support and shape. A leather slide. A cushioned sandal with wider, more flattering straps. A small wedge. Something that still gives you that open, easy, effortless summer feeling, but with the polish and intention that you deserve. Mistake number 9. Overly embellished shoes trying to do too much. There is a very clear line between chic and chaotic. Rhinestones wall to wall, glitter from toe to heel, oversized bows, loud hardware competing for attention from every angle. That line has not just been crossed, it has been left far behind. Too much embellishment throws off the entire balance of your outfit and pulls all the focus straight down to your feet. And ironically, the more decorated a shoe is, the less expensive and less intentional it tends to look. More is not always more. Sometimes more is just more. What you replace them with is a shoe with one single refined and intentional detail. A small metallic buckle, a subtle bow in matching suede, a hint of embossed texture, a sculptural heel. These quiet touches add interest without demanding attention. They are the difference between trying hard and looking completely effortless, and effortless is always the goal. Mistake number 10. UGG boots worn as your main winter shoe. Here it is, the one I told you to stay for. And before the UGG lovers flood my comment section, let me be absolutely clear. I understand the appeal completely. They are warm. They are cozy. They feel like wearing a hug on your feet. And sometimes that is exactly what your soul needs. But UGG boots are indoor shoes. They are loungewear that somehow ended up outside. They are house slippers that got a little too confident. When you pair them with your tailored winter coat, your beautiful scarf, and your carefully chosen accessories, they undo everything. Every single bit of it. Gone. Because Uggs are shapeless, they have no structure, and they clash with anything refined or intentional. And now, here is the question I genuinely want you to answer in the comments right now. Do you think UGG boots can ever be styled elegantly on a woman over 50? Or are they always going to be a house shoe that wandered outside and got confused? Drop your answer below because I want to read every single response. This one is going to start a conversation. What you wear instead is a structured winter boot in leather or suede, a slim ankle boot with a block heel, a knee-high style with clean lines and a slight heel, lined for warmth on the inside, sleek and shaped on the outside. Pair it with wool trousers or a midi skirt with tights or slim jeans and a long coat, and you will look exactly like the sophisticated, ageless, intentional queen you absolutely are. Queens, let me leave you with this. Your shoes are not just an accessory. They are the foundation that your entire look is built on. And after 50+ years of showing up for everyone else, you deserve a foundation that is solid, beautiful, and completely worthy of the woman standing on it. The right shoes change the way you walk. They change the way you carry yourself. They change the way people see you before you even open your mouth. And most powerfully of all, they change the way you see yourself when you look in that mirror before you walk out the door. You have earned that feeling every single day. If this video helped you today, show some love and hit that like button. Share it with a woman in your life who needs to hear this because we are all out here doing our best. And sometimes we just need someone to tell us the truth with love. And if you are not yet part of the Ageless Black Queens family, subscribe right now and turn on your notifications. We are here every week celebrating, educating, and reminding the world that dark-skinned women do not slow down after 50. We level up. Now drop a comment and tell me, which of these 10 mistakes surprised you the most? And which shoes are you saying goodbye to after watching this video today? Because somebody in this comment section is about to make a very important decision about a pair of UGG boots. Until next time, remember this. Elegance is never an accident. It is always a choice. And you, Queen, are always worth choosing. See you in the next one.